Hey guys, long time no see. I know I have been lacking on content lately, so I thought I'd come out with a video kind of explaining why, what's been going on in my life. And also I'll be having a bunch of new videos coming out soon. We have a bunch of really cool projects, as you can see. Got something in the background which I'll talk about in a few minutes. So a couple months ago I got into a pretty bad car accident where I stopped at a right on red after stop. So I came to a stop, and then a guy in a Chevy 3500 came up and he ended up rear-ending me. And he was also pulling a boat too, so it was a lot of force hitting my little Volkswagen Jetta. And in the accident I ended up getting 2 herniated discs in my neck, and then I got pretty bad whiplash too. So been going to the doctor, been getting MRIs and stuff like that. I've also had a lot of school going on. I'm going to school for aerospace engineering over at the University of Central Florida. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of like really hard math classes that have been taking a lot of my time. And then also with my neck injury, I've had to be very conscious and careful of what I do outside here, so I don't damage it anymore or irritate it, and just give myself a couple of days of pain. So been very careful about that. I've been having a lot of help from some of my friends, and also my dad comes out here and he helps me with some stuff too. So so I have a friend. He's actually like a distant relative that has a farm up in Kentucky, and it's like a 700 or 800 acre farm, and he's been needing a lot of military vehicles out there just for, you know, doing work and transportation, you know, driving around the farm. The terrain is pretty rough, so of course the Humvees and stuff like that are very ideal for those conditions out there. So I've had the task of finding all these military vehicles for him, and since I know how to work on them, I'll have them shipped to my house. I'll work on them, do all the maintenance on them. And so this is why we have a couple of these cool vehicles in my yard. So this right here is an Oshkosh Hemet, and it has the bed of a 5-ton Stewart & Stevenson on the back, which is pretty cool. So what we're gonna be doing on this in the next few weeks or month or so, we're gonna be stripping it all down, giving it a fresh paint job. He wants it camouflaged to match everything else. And then we'll be doing all the maintenance on it. And then I would love to take it out to for an off-road adventure, make a cool video of that. Just got to test it out and make sure everything works. So that is this. You guys will be seeing this in some future episodes. This, I have a few more things to do on it, and a couple more videos to put out on it that I have filmed already. And then this right here is a 5-ton that I'm also working on for him. And I've been filming. I just need to throw together a couple videos. But oh my god, the hawk almost killed me. Did you guys hear my terrified voice? Anyways, I almost got killed by that hawk. So here's the 5-ton. What we're gonna be doing is I've been stripping down all the paint, all the oh my god, the hawk just, it's eating a frog. It just dropped the frog, one of the frogs down there, and that's what was screaming, a little tree frog. This thing's ripping apart a frog. Okay, anyways, this has a lot of rust, so we're kind of just fixing all the rust on here, and then doing some maintenance on it too. Had a leaking front main seal, so I need to get that taken care of. And here's a little bit of the rust on the hood. You can see there's holes, so we're gonna be fixing that up, repainting it, doing the maintenance on it. And I'm also gonna do a little off-road adventure with this thing, and make a couple cool videos with this. And then we have some really exciting news. I sold my slantback Humvee, and here's why. I actually have a brand new Humvee coming in from California, and I'll be showing some more details of that probably in the next video, because I'm really excited to show you guys it. But my new Humvee is a 2006 It's one of the M1165 Humvees, so it has a 6.5 turbo, 4-speed transmission, and it has the ECV front end on it, which is really cool in my opinion. It also has a really nice air conditioning over the dash. So probably the next video I'll be showing you guys on that, because I'm just so excited to get it and just show you guys how cool it is, and really excited to start building that and just making really cool videos of that thing. So that's pretty much what I've been doing lately, and just been extremely busy with everything. But I've had a lot of videos stockpiled, so I just need to throw them together and start putting them out. And then my buddy that's been buying all these trucks and stuff, he's not really slowing down anytime soon, so we're gonna have a lot of really cool videos of some other vehicles that will be arriving here in the next few months. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. See you later.